The ideal number 61.605p tool belt meter is a budget-friendly and practical choice. It is compact and affordable, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution for electrical testing. Firstly, it is compact and portable, designed to fit comfortably in a tool belt, making it easy to carry around for quick testing. Secondly, it features a flip case with lead storage. The flip case protects the meter and conveniently stores the test leads within the housing, eliminating tangled wires. Thirdly, it includes a voltmeter for non-contact voltage detection, adding an extra layer of safety. The meter is rated CAT Roman 3 for use on low-energy electrical systems up to 600 volts, suitable for most residential and light commercial applications. It also features automatic range selection, which simplifies the testing process by automatically selecting the appropriate measurement range, and a hold function, allowing users to freeze the displayed reading for easy viewing and recording. Its compact size and tool belt compatibility make it easily accessible for quick troubleshooting. Despite its affordability, the ideal number 61.605p meter provides accurate and reliable measurements. The CAT Roman 3 rating ensures safe use in low-energy electrical environments, and the included voltmeter and compact design offer excellent value for the price. While the CAT Roman 3 rating is suitable for most residential and light commercial applications, it may not be sufficient for use on higher voltage systems. Compared to more advanced models, the ideal number 61.605p offers a limited range of measurements and features. This tool belt meter is an affordable and convenient choice for electricians and do-it-yourself enthusiasts who prioritize portability, safety, and value. Its compact size, built-in lead storage, and included voltmeter make it a practical tool for quick electrical testing tasks. While its CAT Roman 3 rating limits its use on higher voltage systems, it is well suited for the majority of residential and light commercial applications. This meter includes a voltmeter designed for non-contact voltage detection, which enhances safety during electrical work by allowing you to identify live wires without making direct contact. The automatic range selection simplifies the testing process, especially for those who are new to using multimeters, by automatically choosing the appropriate measurement range for the task at hand. The hold function is another convenient feature, enabling you to freeze the reading on the display. This is particularly useful when you are working in dimly lit areas or in situations where you cannot easily see the meter while taking measurements. The meter's accuracy ensures that you can rely on the readings it provides for basic electrical troubleshooting. The ideal number 61.605p is best suited for residential electrical work, such as checking outlets, switches, and lighting fixtures. It can also be useful for basic electrical tasks in light commercial settings, like offices or small retail spaces. The meter is designed to measure voltage, current, and resistance, covering the most common electrical parameters needed for basic troubleshooting and maintenance. When using any electrical testing equipment, it is important to follow safety precautions to prevent electrical shock. Always turn off the power to the circuit you are testing before making any measurements, and use the meter in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Do not use this meter on high-energy systems or in situations where the voltage exceeds the CAT Roman 3 rating of 600 volts. The limitations of the ideal number 61.605p should be considered, particularly its CAT Roman 3 rating, which restricts its use to low-energy electrical systems. For higher voltage systems or more demanding applications, a meter with a higher CAT rating and broader functionality would be necessary. Its compact size is a major advantage, making it easy to carry and store, ensuring it's always within reach when needed. The built-in lead storage is another thoughtful design element, preventing tangled wires and keeping the meter organized. The affordability of the ideal number 61.605p makes it an attractive option for those who are on a budget or who only need a basic meter for occasional use. Overall, the ideal number 61.605p tool belt meter is a practical and cost-effective solution for basic electrical testing needs in residential and light commercial environments, offering a balance of convenience, accuracy, and safety.